sorry.
Sorry.
Julle wil net vir ons oopmaak vir daai kinders dan vas. Hierso, kom julle meisie.
I can no longer allow this to carry on. In the past, I allowed it as part of normal political debate and cut and thrust. But they have gone too far now, and I am going to insist on my legal rights and also going to take them to court. And we've accepted the challenge that we will not rest until the ANC is kicked out of government and replaced by a party that you can trust. So my hands are clean, and it's nonsense to say that I knew about it. It is a lie and it is untrue that I ever had a strategy to, through violence, destabilize, on the one hand, people that we were negotiating with.